We are preparing our generation to be more health conscious by eating healthier and exercising more. These snacks do not follow the Smart Snack guidelines and are required to be removed from our school store.
Smart snacks in schools refers to national nutrition standards for food and beverages that compete with the meals provided in the cafeteria.
Competitive foods and beverages sold during the school day must meet or exceed Smart Snacks and school nutrition standards. These standards limit fat, sugar, sodium, and calorie content.
Today we're going to talk about the school store and the Vortex and how we can increase our profits and sales ever since we have switched to Smart Snacks. Because ever since we switched to healthier alternatives, our sales has decreased significantly, and we have been trying to find better alternatives to increase our sales and bring more attention to the store. One way we have been trying to increase attention and increase sales is reducing fat in our cookies and allowing many students to taste test and sample our cookies.
Okay, I'm going to be trying our new reduced fat cookies. Smells fine. Sugar cookie tastes fine to me, tastes the same.
How's it taste?
It's really good.
Does it taste the same?
Yeah.
Can you tell there's a difference?
Yes.
Oh, what's the difference?
I don't know.
All right, is the cookie good? Would you buy it in the future?
Yeah.
And can you taste the difference? What's the difference?
Tastes better.
We have tried buy one get one frees on items that don't sell well, and we have also tried many commercials that feature our store products to attract more customers so they are more aware of what we sell.
Do you want to eat healthier? Do you want to live longer? When you buy Smart Snacks from the Vortex, it minimizes unhealthy choices. Buy Smart Snacks from the Vortex and make your body your best friend again.
As we gradually been adding new healthier versions of our snacks, student traffic has been slowly increasing, and store sales are about 1/3 of what they used to be when you sold.
Did you visit the Vortex when they sold unhealthy snacks?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you purchased anything since the Vortex started selling only healthy or smart snacks?
From time to time, yes, ma'am.
Okay. How do you feel about the change from unhealthy to smart snacks?
I mean, it's okay, but I like the unhealthy better because that we're teenagers, that's what we used to look for.
Okay. What do you like least about the change?
That we have less options to choose from.
Okay. So how often do you go to the Vortex?
Like every day.
So, recently we changed from unhealthy snacks to smart snacks. Was that something that you were happy about or not?
It's okay. I don't really think negative or positive.
Do you like the new smart snacks?
Yeah,
What have you found that you like the most?
the cookies.
The cookies?
Yeah.
Okay, so the cookies have changed, to reduce fat and to whole grain. But you think that they're still good, even though